What a pretty flock. Hey friends, this is Brenda here from the Pop-Up Homestead. I just wanted to say hi quick and see how many people would be interested in learning about raising chickens. So we have a flock of about 30 chickens, 2 roosters, and the rest are all hens. Hens are girls, roosters are boys. You don't have to have boy chickens to get eggs. Our chickens are anywhere between 7 months old and 3 years. Their production slows down a lot more the older they get. There's one of our roosters, Phoenix. He's white and black. And then the big red guy right there with the hook tail, Red Rover. He's a Rhode Island Red. You can see the other real dark red chickens, like this one right here. She's a Rhode Island Red. So if we were to separate him and a couple of the girls, a couple of the Rhode Island Red girls, we could hatch ourselves some purebred chickens. Currently we have all different kinds. We get blue eggs, green eggs, brown eggs, white eggs. Chickens are pretty easy for the most part. Right now they're what's called free ranging. So a free range chicken is a chicken that is let out of its coop area and it just kind of runs around and does whatever it wants. So the benefit to that is you don't have to feed them and they collect their own feed. The downside to that is that they're very easy to kill. So predators, you see the woods are right there, predators can easily come out of the woods and pick them off. Now I will say the benefit of having a rooster is the rooster will give his life to protect his hens. So roosters are really good at defending their girls, and they're really good at making babies. So that's their two main jobs. So Phoenix, he's a little older. We've had him the longest, and that's his breed is Phoenix. That's how he got his name. And see how his tail feathers are just coming in? They're a little fuzzy right there. That's because he was molting. So yeah, I mean, there's all these different terms when you raise chickens. Molting. Molting just means that they go through a period where their feathers fall out and they get fresh new feathers. They usually don't lay eggs very good during that period, and they look kind of like someone beat them up. Our flock's looking real good right now. None of them are molting. They're all laying real well. So, yeah, we're very lucky. Each chicken will lay roughly 300 eggs a year. So, in the winter, if you don't supplement with light, you'll get a lot less eggs than if you put a light bulb in there for them. Chickens don't start laying eggs until they're about 7 months old, and they'll lay until they're around 3 or 4 years old, and then they drop off on production. And I'll do a video talking about how to raise chicks when they're young, day-old chicks until they start laying. This is an adult flock, so basically they need clean food and water every day, which you don't even need to supplement the food if you let them free range. And then you need to lock them up in their coop at night after dark, and then let them out every morning. And the reason you do that is because predators, again, will kill them. You'll get coyotes that go in there. You'll get snakes. You'll get weasels, possums, raccoons. So they're very easy to kill. They're chicken, hence the name. So they're not real good at defending themselves. So it's our job to protect them. And for that, they give us almost an egg a day. So raising chickens. There you go. I'll let you watch them for a second. And if you have questions that I didn't answer, please feel free and ask me in the description. I'll be happy to answer those questions. Beautiful day in West Tennessee. This is Brenda from the Pop-Up Homestead. Let me pan out a little bit. Let you kind of watch them. Take care of my seedy friends.